Behind that illusion lies a silent storm, an emotional and mental struggle that many teenagers endure alone. Mental health battles often go unseen, hidden behind fake smiles and filtered social media posts. In a world where perfection is constantly broadcast through social media, teenagers are often left questioning their own worth. Self-esteem begins to depend on likes, comments, and followers. Insecurities quietly take root, and when emotional pain becomes unbearable, some turn to self-harm, believing it offers a twisted sense of control. Asking for help feels shameful, weak, or simply impossible. Then what is the solution? No, that sound is not the solution. It's the stage being set. The children have the answer up their sleeves in this play called A Silent Scream. For as Hamlet said, the play is the thing. The last performance of the day by the students of South Point High School. South Point High School, your time starts now. While the curtain goes up, script written by Kaushik Ghosh, directed by Kaushik Ghosh, cast Ohana Ghoshal, Arish Ghosh, Bhasha Bhattacharya, Sharanya Sengupta, Bidyasri Das, Adrija Sen, Jagoshini Ghosh, Digantoni Ghosh, দেবদত্ত পোদ্দার, অদ্রিজা সাহা, নিশান্ত মণ্ডল, ফাহিমা ফারুকিয়া, তানিশা রয় বণিক, ওজস্বী ঠাকুর, সিরান কুন্ডু, শরণ্যা মাইতি, মোহনা মিত্র, শ্রীবল্লী রয়. A Silent Scream.
চার্জ আছে তো
Late again. I told him first thing in the morning to come home early tonight. Why doesn't he even listen to a word I say? Riya, beriye esho khabarta খেয়ে নাও. Riya, একজন নিজের অফিসে, একজন তার ঘরে. What about me? What about mom? হ্যালো ইয়া প্লিজ একটু ওয়েট করে যাওয়ার জন্য থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ people are calling me I'm getting late hello you're late again I told you first thing in the morning to come home early tonight why don't you even listen to me
Oh, come on, don't start again. I just came back from office. I haven't even taken off my shoes yet.
again what do you mean by again I do all the housework I go to the office our daughter isn't opening her door for God knows when I don't know what she does in there all day
I have my work outside. You should be the one taking care of that.
only me
You're the mother.
রিয়া এরকম করে না মা বেরিয়ে এসো
Nata Korona, Ria. Open the door.
is that the way you talk to your daughter
Now, come on, don't teach me how I am supposed to talk to my daughter.
you're disgusting go to hell
You there?
hello
হ্যালো আন্টি ভালো আছেন
হ্যাঁ আদিত্য বাবা আমি ভালো আছি হাউ আর ইউ
আই এম ফাইন থ্যাংক ইউ আই বিন ট্রাইং টু রিচ রিয়া ফর আ লং টাইম উই হ্যাভ আ ম্যাথস এক্সাম টুমরো and my copy is left with her I have to revise
Aditya, why don't you come over and get it, huh? Riya is at home, uncle is also at home. আমি দরজাটা খুলে রাখছি।
okay aunty thank you so much
Okay, Aditya, bye bye.
bye
Riya, Aditya is coming over for his maths notebook or something. বাবা ঘরে আছে, আমি দরজাটা খুলে রাখলাম।
that's it guys days after days months after months I cannot do this anymore I quit
This trend has gotten old, my friend. Try something new. You'll get better views. So silly.
Come on, all this for likes and views. Average influencer. আর কতদিন এসব চলবে? এবার থামো তো। সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় যত সব নাটক।
কান্না করো না নেমে এসো লেটস টক কথা বললে ভালো লাগবে নেমে এসো এরকম করতে নেই ভগবান পাপ দেবেন শি ইজ সো ওভার ড্রামাটিক সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় তো ন্যাকামো কেন করে জানি না বাবা ডিড হার প্যারেন্টস নট টিচ হার হাউ টু ডিল উইথ ডিফিকাল্ট স্টাফ such a disappointment she is
Are you crazy? You're committing suicide. That too on live. Earpod, Thana, police. I am not unfollowing you.
Ria open the door Ria open the door quick it's me Aditya Ria open the door my maths exercise copy is left with you for so many days tomorrow we have an exam how am I supposed to revise if the copy is with you where have you kept it you've not been doing very well in your exams you know
Just shut up, will you?
এই তো পেয়ে গেছি What is this? Are you mad? Ria, get up! Get up! What happened? You don't know how it's like, okay? My parents fight continuously. She's coming over this evening. You can talk to her. No, I am not going to talk to some random stranger about my personal problems. Thank you. No, you will. This is not the way. Do you even know how it's like at home? In school? Oh God, the math class was so boring.
I started eating in the middle of the class only.
The class was so boring. Everything just went over my head.
The answer script. Oh, God. Hey, did you all see Ria's marks?
Yeah, she failed.
What?
Yeah, she failed.
Exactly.
This is what karma does.
Exactly.
She has to be the first in everything. Naach, gana, kappa. Hey, and the attitude. Oh my God, so annoying.
I know, right? Even the sight of her disgusts me right now. অসহ্যকর একদম।
You got the highest, huh? Good for you. এবার তো খাতা একদম একদম।
Guys, not the highest though, but we all passed. Right?
Arey, and this total drama she does nowadays.
Never speaks to anyone.
Nowadays, she comes live and makes those useless videos. So silly.
কত জমা জীবনে বেচারি। লাইভে এসে যত ভুলভাল বকে।
Exactly. Hi everyone, this is Ria. আমার জীবনে কত দুঃখ, as if anyone cares about her.
Such an attention seeker she is. একটা follower নেই। Influencer মনে করে নিজেকে।
Influencer Ultra Pro Max.
So, Ria, Aditya told me about you. Said you needed someone to talk to. Then tell me. I've been told I'm a great listener. What's going on?
I'm fine.
Acha, Ria, tell me something. When was the last time you went out with your parents? On a dinner or a lunch, maybe?
I don't remember. এই দেখো তোমরা বারান্দায় দাঁড়িয়ে আছো। আমি সারা বাড়ি খুঁজে বেড়ালাম। এই নাও ধরো।
Thank you.
রিয়া? আরে রিয়া নে না। I don't want it. এই আমি কিন্তু খেয়ে নেবো।
তোদের বারান্দাটা কি সুন্দর রে? কি সুন্দর হাওয়া দেয়, কত দূর অবধি দেখা যায়। This is my favorite spot in the house, huh? একদম পেটেন্ট করা আমার।
আচ্ছা ডিনার কিন্তু রেডি হয়ে যাবে। তোমরা দুজনে চলে আসবে, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ, তুই যা।
এই রিয়া খাবি না তো?
Aditya, তুই যা। So, Ria, school. What's going on at school? Friends, পড়াশোনা কেমন চলছে? Do you have friends, Ria?
Didn't you all hear? I think she broke up.
I think the thin one with the glasses.
হ্যাঁ, সারাদিন তো ছেলেদের সাথেই
খাবি রে রিয়া? আর নেই।
Riya, are you okay? Yes, Riya, what's up with your maths, Mama? Huh, you're so good at maths. What happened?
Exactly. Like you are a topper and now you are a dropper. Top করে drop করে।
Oh my God. Guys, please give it a rest, okay?
আবার না।
না মানে তোর ফেভারিট সাবজেক্ট ছিল বল।
মানে হতেই পারে। আমি তো ফেল করতে করতে পাস করে গেছি।
হ্যাঁ, আমার তো বস সেট আছে। আগেও 30, এখনো 30, ফুললি কনসিস্টেন্ট।
But be honest, na, boyfriend you
বল।
huh?
Yeah, everyone needs a little happiness. Yo, you go for a lift? Got that sweet stuff.
Please, please give me one. I need that very badly.
Sure. You've got money?
No, not right now. But I promise I'll give you the money. Please give me one fast. I beg you, please.
Sorry. That's not how it works. Go now. Leave. Leave!
Not everyone is ready for happiness.
Same as the last time. Fast. এইটুকুনি।
দাম বেড়ে গেছে।
Same thing.
Where's the money?
I don't have enough right now. I'll pay you next time.
No, that's not how it works. Give that back.
I promise I'll pay you next time. I don't have enough right now. I'll give you double.
দাঁড়া ডাবল বলছে ওকে নাও লিভ মেক শিওর ইটস ডাবল হ্যাঁ
Sure.
আরে রিয়া কেমন আছো You look disturbed.
I'm fine.
That's not a fine looking face, Ria.
Why so serious? I think you need the happy stuff.
What? Hey, bol no.
Arey, the candy. Don't you want some, Ria?
I am not a kid. I don't need your candies.
No, Ria. It's not for kids. এটা বড় বড় ছোটদের জন্য। তোর জন্য চলে গেল।
আমার জন্য তোর জন্য কাজ করবো না ওর সাথে বেরো আমার থেকে।
কি রে রিয়া?
ওরা তোর নতুন বন্ধু নাকি?
Huh? But I remember quite well that I have seen her with them before also.
Hey, একদম বাজে কথা বলবি না। This is the first time I have met them. I did not even know what they were talking about.
ফার্স্ট না লাস্ট কে জানে, ছবি তো আছে। এটা ভাইরাল করব?
কিংবা চল প্রিন্সিপালকে পাঠিয়ে দিই।
না এই ক্লিপগুলোকে ইমেল করে দিই, কিংবা অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট নিয়ে দেখাই করে আসি বল।
কিংবা চল বাড়িতেই ফোন করি না।
বেস্ট আইডিয়া।
কিরম হবে বলতো রিয়া? বাড়িতে সবাই জেনে যাবে, পাড়া প্রতিবেশীরা জেনে যাবে, স্কুলেও সবাই জেনে যাবে যে রিয়া বাজে লোকেদের সঙ্গে মিশছে।
Why don't you guys just mind your own business?
This is our business, রিয়া।
We are minding just our own business.
দেখ রিয়া, আমরা তোর ভালোর জন্য এটা করছি, বোঝ না। We are friends.
তুই কাদের সঙ্গে মিশছিস, কোথায় যাচ্ছিস, কি করছিস, কি খাচ্ছিস, সব আমাদের জানা দরকার না বল? This is for your own future.
You don't have to think about my future.
বেশ ভয় পেয়ে গেল বল।
আরে প্ল্যানটা একেবারে কাজ করে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ, এই সত্যি পাঠাবি না তুই?
মাথা খারাপ না, মজা করছে, আমি এক্ষুনি ছবিগুলো ডিলিট করে দেবো।
তাই বল। যাই হোক,
অপারেশন রিয়া সাকসেসফুল। চল।
These people, they are following me around. They pester me to buy, God knows, some happy stuff from them.
Did you buy any রিয়া?
No. I did not. There's something else as well. Unknown people, they text me in Instagram. They talk to me inappropriately. They ask for pictures. They're threatening me. They're scaring me.
রিয়ার Instagram ID, Instagram, You can call me a fan of yours. Or even a friend. I know we are not very good friends. But I get you, yeah. I understand. And I feel so sorry for you, Ria. I know, Ray, how you feel. আরে শোন না, ম্যাথসে ফেল করেছিস তো কি হয়েছে? পরের বার পাস করবি। একটু প্র্যাকটিস কর, ঠিক পাস করবি। And I know তুই একটা ব্রেকডাউনের মধ্যে দিয়ে যাচ্ছিস। Tell you what, I know this guy. আমি না তোকে ওর ইনস্টা আইডিটা পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি। He can really help you to move on. I don't want anybody's number. I don't want to talk to a stranger. ওরকম all caps এ লেখার কি দরকার বলতো রিয়া? রাগ করিস না রিয়া। I am very serious right now. আমি তোর বন্ধু না? Trust me, he can really help. I said I don't want anyone's number. Okay. Listen. I'll send him your Insta ID. Move on, Ria. Move on. It's too late now. I have no clue who you are. You have been texting me non-stop since the last few days. I blocked you 4 times and yet you text me again. I don't even know whether you are one person or many. Just leave me alone.
You are very down, it seems. কি হয়েছে? Tell me. Well, I can help you. At least, can we be friends? Okay. Let's meet one day. Lake Mall? Lake Mall যাবে? I must say, ওখানে সফটিটা কিন্তু দারুণ খেতে। We'll have a nice time. Just you and me. Now come on, you need to say yes.
Excuse me? I asked you to leave me alone.
Oh, come on. I need to know you. Acha, where do you live? By the way, তোমার প্রোফাইল পিকচারটা কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর। Can I get a picture?
What? No, I don't even know you. No, you cannot.
Just one. একটাই, please.
I said no. No means no.
একটাই মাত্র ছবি চাইছি, সেটাও দিচ্ছ না, খালি দুষ্টুমি।
You are sick. You are sick.
Well, it's your choice then. I have already saved your profile picture. And you know what? Nowadays, anything and everything is possible with AI. You know what I mean? Wait. Let me send you a sample. Now the question is, how difficult are you going to make this? Okay. Let me make it very easy for you. I will send you my UPI ID. And you know what to do. Otherwise...
So this unknown chap has been bothering you, huh? Acha Ria, you still have his Insta ID?
Yes.
Hey, Sammy. Yeah, I'm doing good. Actually, I need your help with something. This unknown chap has been bothering a young girl, harassing her. You know how it happens nowadays, right? এটা তো তোদেরই কাজ। Insta ID and you know what to do, right? Thanks. Yeah, we'll catch up soon. Thanks. So, Ria, this problem of yours, it will be fixed. But you have to be careful next time. Alright? And don't worry. You will be fine. Relax.
Dinner is ready. Ria, ওর ডিনারটাও কি আমি খেয়ে নেবো?
চল যাচ্ছি
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Chill, it's my job. But first, I need to make a few phone calls. And the first one goes to your mother. But তার আগে চল ডিনারটা সেরে নি। I can smell the mutton.
আমিও চলো যাই।
We failed you, Ria. Please forgive us.
We were too caught up in our schedules and deadlines. We failed to see your struggle.
I screamed, Dad. I screamed silently every single day. No one
We're
listened.
listening now. We're listening now. And we'll walk with you. I promise.
And we'll have dinner together. And today I will cook.
And we will eat. What's it, Ria?
Healing is not a moment, it's a journey. All the best, Ria. I just want to believe I am worth the journey.
You are, Ria. We all are.
Ria, sorry, I was awful. We all were awful. We didn't realize what you were going through. Aditya told us. Really sorry, eh?
Healing doesn't erase the pain. But it does open new space for hope. Let's start all over again.
Let's start.
You found your voice. Yes. And I'll use it to help others find theirs. What is it? I am back. And you thought you were safe. Abar, you are not alone this time. No, I am not. Let's finish this. Together.
We are together.
There shall always be echoes. But now, I know how to speak back.
That was an initially silent but later not so silent scream from South Point High School. Time taken 29 minutes.